Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging for you. I have the Glam Bag Plus and also the regular Glam Bag for November. Now I do get mine a little bit early since I'm part of their creator program, so they do send me these to unbox and show you guys what is being featured this month. So I hope you guys will enjoy. You may not get these exact bags. They do include a variation, but all of the items that I have in mine are possible items that you can get in yours as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll do the smallest first, so I'll do the little glam bag. This is what the glam bag looks like this month. It's definitely reminds me of Thanksgiving kind of colors with the browns, creams, navy. Very cool. This bag is $12 a month, and you typically get like deluxe size samples. So first we got the Anastasia lip gloss in Moon Jelly. I'm actually kind of excited for this. It's a little mini size, but it's like a decent amount of product. Here's what it looks like. It's like a clear pearlescent type of shade. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. It has like purple pearls to it. I think I've seen this one at TJ Maxx in the full size, and swatched, it's definitely very holographic. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but you can definitely see a lot of that pinky purple sparkle in it. So that's the first thing that we got. I really do like Anastasia glosses. They also put in a TATCHA The Deep Cleanse. So this is a possible item in the regular Ipsy bag this month, which is also exciting. I love seeing TATCHA. I don't know if I've ever gotten TATCHA in an Ipsy, so this is really cool if they added TATCHA now. I've actually tried this cleanser before, so I'm really excited to have it again in my life. It's a really good one. I never like repurchase cleansers because I always have so many. I'm just obsessed with trying out new ones. I also got a little mini mascara from the brand EYEKO London. This is the Rock Out and Lash Out mascara in black. So it's a cute little size there. And this is what the wand looks like. It is skinny on the bottom and then it flares out on top. So that's kind of what that looks like. Okay, Ipsy did it again where they mixed up the products. So let me fix these real quick. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is how it goes. So they put like a full-size Tarte item in here, but it was meant to go in the Glam Bag Plus. So this is what was meant to go in the Glam Bag, is this makeup brush. And it looks like this. This is by a Perfect 10 by MOTD. It's incredibly soft. This is a nice powder brush from them. So yeah, we usually don't get like a ton of full-size items in this bag unless it is brushes. So that's kind of why I figured something was messed up with that, but I always just check on the app because I can see what products are being featured, and yeah, they are featuring this brush in the Glam Bag, the regular $12 bag, which is nice. So nice little brush there. And then we also got, ooh, I'm excited for this. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I own this. I absolutely love it. It's the best, and the smell is incredible. It's the best banana smell. It smells like banana runts. I love banana scents. As you guys know, vanilla and banana is my favorite. So I'm really excited that they are sampling this product in the regular bags this month. That's what is in my $12 bag. Really pleased with that one. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, you might not get this exact variation. I kind of do feel like they do send the creators like the most exciting things, I won't lie to you. But, I mean, they are options, as you guys can see. If you're looking in the app, it's possible to get those items. So I kind of see these videos as like showcasing what could be in the bags. So that's why I try to get them up early as possible so you guys can get excited and see what you're gonna get. Alright, so then we have here the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month, which is in the drawstring bag, kind of similar color scheme here. And I'll start with the product that they kind of misplaced. So this is supposed to go in the Glam Bag Plus. I think I fixed it. So this is from Tarte, and it's their Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. This is in Fresh Pressed. And the Glam Bag Plus, by the way, is $25 a month if I didn't mention, and it usually has full sizes. But yeah, the packaging on this is really fun. It has like a little grippy center, and I've been obsessed with lip oils lately. Oh, that smells like fruit. It smells really good. So I don't know if this is going to have much color to it or if it's just going to stay clear. I'll kind of let it sit there, but this is really cute. So Sugar Rush is like another branch off of Tarte. It's kind of geared towards the younger crowd, but I love it because it has super cute packaging. Okay, next we got a set of brushes from F.A.R.A.H, and I do enjoy F.A.R.A.H brushes. I feel like we got one last, or at least I got one last month, I don't know, but we got their eye brush set. I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway, so I'll probably do a giveaway. Should I do one in this video here with these brushes, because I have so many eye brushes right now. I really do not need these, but these are really good. I do enjoy the F.A.R.A.H brand. We also got from TRESTIQUE. This is also something I have tried before, so I'll also put this in the giveaway for you guys. It's the Good Vibes Mascara, and what's really cool about this is it actually has a lash curler built in, and it's a good mascara. I really enjoy it. I think it really lengthens the lashes very well. So it's kind of bulky, like bulky packaging, since it does include the kind of curler with it, but overall I really enjoy this, and I think that you guys will like it as well. So that one is from the brand TRESTIQUE. We also have here, ooh, I'm going to keep this, I think. This is the Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. How cool. Alright, I have not seen this from them, so I don't know if they just came out with these or if they made them with Ipsy, but these look really fun. So this is the color scheme we got. It's kind of a bronze with a pop of coral. Very pretty, very wearable. I love the neutral tones. I do think that Violet Voss makes some pretty good eyeshadows. They're very soft and creamy, although the coral color does feel a little bit harder in the pan, but I feel like that's pretty typical with those neon type of shades. They're a little bit harder to make. Alright, this is the colors. Really pretty. I'm definitely going to put this in my eyeshadow collection. It doesn't really have a name. It just says Violet Voss on it. I don't know. So maybe they did make these with Ipsy. I have no idea. And then the last thing that I got in this bag is from Somerville. This is a pretty pricey product. It is their goat milk moisturizing cream. I'm going to also put this in the giveaway because I have so much skincare. I just don't need this. I've tried it before and it's really nice, but it's definitely more suited towards dry skin types. It's great for sensitive skin as well. This has milk proteins, jojoba, and avocado oils in it. Just very moisturizing. So that is everything in my November Ipsy bags. Overall, it was pretty decent. I wanted to show you like my favorites from the bags. Definitely the Tarte lip oil, really excited about that. The Violet Voss palette, definitely a fave. You guys know I was gonna pick the Glow Recipe banana cream and then the TATCHA little mini cleanser. I think my favorite bag was actually the small bag. Even though my Glam Bag Plus had some great items in it, it just I don't know, it had a lot of things that I probably wouldn't use and that I'm going to be giving away to you guys since I've already tried them. So let me go ahead and get into this giveaway. I am going to be giving away this F.A.R.A.H eye brush set, as well as the Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer and the TRESTIQUE Mascara. If you want to enter this, just leave a comment down below and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can comment about anything, but definitely make sure there is a way that I can contact you, whether it be your Instagram handle. It's so much easier for me to DM you on there. You can leave an email, but I don't suggest doing that because then you just run into issues with all these scam accounts emailing you, and I don't want that out there. So I hope that you guys will enjoy me doing these Ipsies. I was thinking about doing the PR versus purchase, but I've decided I don't know if it would work for me because with these unbaggings you have to upload so fast or else you're just kind of forgotten about. It's kind of sad that's how it works these days. If you're not first, then you're last. So since I get these early, I wanted to do these for you so you can get excited about what you're getting in your bags, and then I can also do a giveaway for you guys since I do kind of get a lot of duplicates with these. So that is going to be it for today's video. Also, I did want to touch on one more thing before I go. I want to know what your thoughts are about Ipsy buying BoxyCharm. Very interesting. I mean, it's technically like this big umbrella company. I've heard they're not going to be like combining together. They're just going to still be separate, but I just think it is so interesting. I don't know. I never would have thought Ipsy would buy BoxyCharm. I would have thought it was the other way around. So it's going to be interesting if there's going to be any changes, if they're going to still include different brands, or if I'm sure we're going to see different brands in each of the bags, and maybe it would be better because they can actually specify, okay, this brand's going to be in Ipsy and this one's going to be in Boxy, so we're not getting duplicates like we do sometimes. So I guess that could be kind of interesting. And then I think they're making another subscription that's like a body care, skincare, wellness, I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I just kind of skimmed through the article, but I'm very curious to see your guys' thoughts on that. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.